day guys. Now we tackle the system of linear equation in two variables using elimination method. So we have two variables. We have equation 1 and equation 2. Now you are using elimination method, so we will cancel the, I choose y to cancel. So it became, so you must add the equation 1 and equation 2, then multiply equation by 2 by negative 2. We have first variable, we have 3x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Then multiply both sides with negative 2. So it became 3x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Then negative 10 minus 4y positive 16 equals to 0. So you can cancel the y. So your remaining is 7x plus 12 equals to 0. Then you find the x using the sum of equation 1 and equation 2. So we have negative 7x plus 12 equals to 0. Then transpose, it will become negative 12. So 7x equals to negative 12. 7x over negative 7 and equals to negative 12 over 7. You divide both sides so you can get your x, which is positive 12 over 7. Now you can substitute the value of x on either equation 1 or equation 2. Then find the value of y. So I choose equation 1. So we have 3x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Then 3 equals to, our x is 12 over 7, so 12 over 7 plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Then you must find the least common denominator of the 36, which is 3 times 12. So it became 36 minus 4 times 7 plus 4y equals to 0. So 36 minus 28 equals, will be 8 over 7 plus 4y equals to 0. Then you transpose to the right side, so it became negative, and it remaining 4y minus 4. So it became y and negative 2 over 7. Now you get the y. Then therefore, the solution set is 12 over 7 minus 2, and 12 over 7 your x, and 2 over 7, negative 2 over 7 your y. Now as for graphing, we have 3x minus 4y plus 4y minus 4 equals 0, equation 1. So let x will be 0, so you get your x, it will be 1, and let y equals 0, and your y will be 4 over 3. So this is the line of the equation 1, the red one. So equation 2, 5x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Let x equals to 0, so you can get your y, and which is 4. Then let y equals to 0, and you have 8 over 5. And this is the graph of your equation 2, the blue one. So the intersection point is, you have x, the 12 over 7, and negative 2 over 7 your y. So that's all. Thank you. Good day everyone. We have the system of linear equation in three variables using elimination method. So we have our three variables. We have equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So we have equation 1, we have 2x plus 3y plus z equals to 8. And equation 2 is 5x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to negative 13. And equation 3 is x minus 2y plus 5, 7 equals to 15. So we try to eliminate the x. So in order to eliminate the x, we had add equation 1 and equation 2. Then multiply equation 1 by 5 by negative 5 and equation 2 by 2. So you multiply both sides. So equation 1 you multiply both sides by 5, then equation 2 by positive 2. So our result is we have negative 10x plus 5y minus 5z equals to negative 40, our equation 1. And equation 2 we have 10x plus 4y minus 6z equals to negative 26, our equation 2. So you eliminate the x, and the remaining is y. So negative 15y plus 4y equals to negative 11y, and negative 5z plus negative 6 6z equals to negative 11z. So equals to, and negative 40 plus negative 26, we have negative 6. So we get our equation 4. So we have now the equation 3 and equation 2. Then multiply by equation 3 by 5. So we can cancel also the x, the equation 1 and equation 2. So multiply both sides by negative 5, our equation 2. So we have negative 5x times negative 2y times positive 5z equals to 15. So the result is we have negative 5x plus 10y minus 25z equals to negative 75, our equation 3. So just copy the 5x plus 2y minus 3z equals to negative 13, our equation 2. So now you eliminate the x and remaining is y. So we have positive 10y plus positive 2y equals 12y. So we got negative 25z plus negative 3z equals to negative 28z. Then negative 75 plus negative 13 equals negative 88. Now we get our equation 5. So we have equation 4 and equation 5. Then now you add the equation 4 and equation 5, then multiply equation 4 by 12 and equation 5 by 11 to cancel the y. So we have 12, we multiply both sides with 12, still 12. So then also the equation 4 by positive 11. So the result is, so we get the result of multiply both sides by 12 or equation 4. So we get the negative 132y minus 132z equals to negative 792, or equation 4. So multiply both sides with 11 or equation 5. So we get 132y minus 308z equals to negative 968, so our equation 5. So we get so we cancel the y and divide both sides with negative 440, so you can get your z. So negative 1760 divided by negative 40, so our z is 4. So we get our z. So now we substitute the value of variable z to equation 5. So we have 12y minus 28z equals to negative 88. Then we have 12y minus 28. So we know that our z is 4. So we substitute there. So we have 28 times 4 equals to negative 88. So we have 12y minus 112 equals to negative 88. So you transpose your 100 negative 12 to get your y. So it will become positive. So negative 8 plus 112 equals 24. So 12y, then we have 12y equals to 24. So divide both sides with 12, so you can get you can cancel the 1. So it became y, and we have 24 over 12. We all know that 24 over 12 is 2. That is y. So we have z and y. Now we substitute the value of z and y to equation 3 to find the value of x. So we have here equation 3. So we have x minus 2y plus 5z equals to 15. So we substitute the y, so we all know that our y is 2, then our z is 4. So we have x plus minus 2 times 2 plus 5 times 4 equals to 15. So we get x and 4. X minus 4 plus 20 equals to 15. So we have x plus 16 is equals to 15, because negative 4 plus 20 is positive 16. So we transpose the positive 16 to the right side, so it became negative. So you have your x equals to 15 minus 16. So you get negative 1, your x. So you get our three variables, so x, y, z. So therefore, our solution set is our x is 1, our y is 2, and our z is 4. And that's all. Thank you.